So it's a long journey. It's not stop just as a technician. So you can enhance your knowledge, your career.
Sometimes we do fail in something, but we continue, we improve. When you fail, time for you to learn.
Additional courses that they offer for your employees to improve their skill on their journey, to improve themselves and enhance a better future.
You can attend the course, okay, with assistance with us, and you can grow.
And we would like to express our gratitude to Cycle and Carriage, Bintang Berhad, to their support in organizing this academic industry campaign that create opportunity for young talent, career exploration, workplace experience despite their very busy schedule. Can we have a round of applause for them?